Hi, welcome back to 6.7 Geometric Series. This is our second video, and we are looking at example 2. It says find the sum of the first 10 terms of each geometric series. So here we're only given the first term. That's what f of 1 means. It means our first term. It's just in function notation. That's okay. This is basically another way of saying a equals 20. And we're given the common ratio, so that's great. Some good information there. We also know it's the first 10 terms, so we also know that n should be 10. Okay, so why don't we go ahead and solve this one? It's going to be too hard. We're just going to write out our formula. So it's always our first term, and then times a bracket, and inside that bracket we have the common ratio raised to the exponent n, and then we subtract 1. And then we divide it by r minus 1. Okay, what we divide by on the bottom is basically the same as the top, just no exponent, right? Just get rid of that n. It's kind of a nice way to remember it. Okay, our first term is 20. Common ratio is negative 3. So I'm going to put another set of brackets there, and I'm going to write negative 3 to the exponent 10. And then we have negative 3 minus 1 on the bottom. So this is going to be 20 times, so negative 3 to the 10 and then minus 1. I worked this out already. It works out to 59,048. And then we're dividing by negative 4. Okay, putting that in the calculator, I get 295, comma 240. So negative 295,240. That's the sum of that series. Okay. You might be wondering, how is this negative? The first term is 20. Well, the common ratio is negative 3. So we're multiplying by negative 3 each time. So we would have 20, then we'd have negative 60. Multiply that by negative 3 and we get 180. And then that times 3 times the next, 300 and 240. So minus 540. You guys get the idea. It continues. So it grows really quickly. And I know it does go from positive to negative, but the last term must be a big negative. That's how we get that large number for the series. Okay, so that's part A. Try the next one. Just going to change colors. So A is 5, R is 4, N is 10. So if you want, you can try this on your own. We're just using the same formula, no tricks here. A is 5, our base is 4. So 4 to the 10 minus 1. And then we have 4 minus 1 on the bottom. That'll be 3. So 5 times 4 to the 10 minus 1. I solved that one already too. That's 1,048,575. And then over 3. So our total for that is 1,747,625. And that would be our total for that sequence, or our total for the series. All right, so that's it for our second video. We have 2 more examples left, so I'll see you in the next video where we look at example 3.